With the power cable, water supply, and drain hose connected, it's time to complete your new dishwasher's installation. If it's not already, slide the dishwasher into the cabinet where it will be installed. Be sure to pull all hoses and lines out of the way while moving the appliance to avoid kinks and other damage. Kinks can cause low water pressure or errors when running a cycle. You can check the side-to-side level along the top of the inside frame. Adjust this level using a flathead screwdriver, turning clockwise to raise and counterclockwise to lower the front feet. Measure the front-to-back level along the side of the tub. Adjust this level using the Torx screwdriver to adjust the rear height. To avoid leaks, the dishwasher should be fully level or leaning slightly to the rear. Finally, let's get the dishwasher secure. Pull the dishwasher out slightly so that you can attach the brackets. In most cases, you can place the included brackets to the top of the dishwasher frame to affix to the countertop. If the countertop cannot be drilled into, attach the brackets to the sides. If the provided brackets are too long, you can break off the end piece using pliers. Ensure that the door is opening and closing without rubbing against the counter or sides of the cabinet. It's now time to screw the dishwasher into your cabinet. You may need to remove one or more racks for access. First, lay down a towel to keep things from falling into the sump. Pre-drill holes for the mounting brackets using a drill bit diameter slightly smaller than the diameter of the screws. Insert the provided screws into their holes and tighten. Assemble the plastic caps to add finish and help prevent leaks. Finally, install the kick plate. With the rubber skirt of the door taut, push the kick plate inward and under the door. Ensure the kick plate gaskets are flush with the floor and sidewalls, and tighten the screws to secure it. It is important to keep the dishwasher leveled and secured. Proper installation will allow the door to open and close and prevent leaks. Once the dishwasher is installed, it is always a good idea to test it. If your model includes a smart install cycle, run it now. If it does not, you can just run a normal cycle and do your best to check for leaks or other connection problems.